Looking for a refreshing, hydrating, and detoxifying juice? Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and healthy cucumber juice, perfect for any time of the year. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone to another video with KK's Kitchen and more. And so let us look at the ingredients that we're going to need today. So we need a few cucumbers. You can use the amount that you want. I'm using 4 here. I have a piece of ginger, about 3 inches of ginger. I have a lemon. And for sweetener, I will be using my cane sugar. You can use honey or whatever sweetener suitable for you. I will be using water. You can use coconut water. That's an option, okay? And the tip here, you can peel the cucumber or you can use it in the skin, okay? But if you want to peel it, that's fine. You can go ahead and peel it. And so those are just a few ingredients, simple ingredients that you will use to create a powerful health booster. Okay, so at this time I want to welcome all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, and to those that are watching, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel, and when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I come or put out a video, you will be in the lineup for that video. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm encouraging you to stay to the end and watch exactly how I put this refreshing cucumber juice together. Beautiful people, quick tip here. If you are using this juice as a detox, you don't have to double strain, okay? you would leave this with the fiber that is in it. You don't have to double strain. But if you are using it for just the refreshing taste and for the other health benefit, then you can double strain. Okay, continue watching until the end. Thank you. Hi my people, and so we are almost at the end of the recipe where we are pouring out our juice. I want to encourage you to put some slices of cucumber in your jar or your jug, and it will take it up a notch with refreshing. This juice is packed with hydration, nutrients, and detoxifying properties. It is perfect for boosting your energy, cooling down on a hot day, or even simple treating your body to something nourishing. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section below if you do it just like me or you put something different. Just let us talk in the comment section. Okay, so from my kitchen to yours, this is my refreshing cucumber juice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipe. Cheers, walk good.